Now if you want to add any map, first now I will tell you about these things, for what purpose these things are used. That you want to add data, just click on this, and I want to add data of Pakistan. From here you can connect to the folder where your data is stored. From here you can move to the home folder. Okay, from here you can move one step back like this. Okay, and here is my Pakistan cities file, and I want to move back. I click on this. Okay, just check into this and add. My Pakistan map will added up here. Okay, this is the table of content. Simply, the first I opened the Pakistan map and it will appear like this. I can change the color of this map from here by clicking on this. I can make it green, and okay. There is a lot of things. If I don't want to make this, I want to go back to the previous. Just click on this undo command. My added data will be moved back, and if I want to get back, just click on this. Okay, I want to remove this data. You can remove from here. Okay, add. If I want to add, I will add the Pakistan, and after adding this I want to add any base map. Let's open up. It will take a few time to open it up, because the base maps are from the internet, and my internet connection is a little bit slower. If I will just want to open this imaginary with labels. Okay, it will take few time. Okay, if I want to zoom in and zoom out, this is to zoom in, this is to zoom out, this is map tool, this is for full extent. Let's make it open. Wait for a few seconds. It's taking a few seconds as it is working on its back. You can check from here. It's opened up. Okay, just click on to full extent. This will be your full extent, and your Pakistan is like somewhere here. And if I want to zoom in, just okay. One thing about this software is, the one important and very interesting thing about this software is this, that you can customize your working platform according to your own will. Okay, just open up the ArcMap options. This is your general setting. You can check in and uncheck the things which you want to you can make your settings according to your home, which you want to working with. Okay, data view, you can change the view of your data by check or uncheck the few things. Okay, this is your layout view, this is your metadata, this is your tables, this is your raster. Okay, my base map is here. Okay, now you can see that we can add base maps from the internet onto your working platform. I will uncheck my base map, and this is my Pakistan map. Okay, I want to zoom in out. I want to zoom in, and I want to go back to the full extent of my software. Just click on this. This is the full extent as my platform is on the globally level, on the level of global coordinate systems are as a globally opened, and my Pakistan is with respect to base map. My Pakistan map is somewhere is bigger, smaller. I can just zoom in like this. This is my BAM tool. I can just move it up and down. Okay, I just, if I want to open this my Pakistan map, my Pakistan layer to my full extent, I just click on the layer. Something went wrong with this. Just click on the layer, click on layer and zoom to layer. This will appear to zoom to layer to the full extent. Okay, this is also to zoom in, zoom out. This is to zoom in. This is pan tool. Okay, this is undo, this is redo, this is select elements. Right click is mostly used in the software. By right clicking you can do a few things. This is this is just to zoom to layer. Okay, if my map is like fully zoomed out, like at full extent, okay, I want to make it this map to the full extent, I will click on the layer and just press on to zoom to layer. It will appear like this. Okay, this was the basics about the ArcMap tool. Now the last thing, the most important thing I want to tell you that just click on the file, and if you want to save your ArcMap, don't forget to save your map. Just click on the file and save as, save a copy. You can save like this. If you want to export your map, you can click on this and click the type. If you want to export in JPEG, BMP, SWF, SVG, PDF, EMF, okay, GIF, you can save in the, you can save in which format you want, you can save it. Okay, after that, this was about your saving of map. This was the last thing about the tour of ArcMap platform, ArcMap interface. I hope you learned a lot. You learned basics about this tour. Remain with me, remain with this channel to learn from the beginners to the professional level. My slogan is, if you will learn this software, then you will earn in the dollars. You can earn $100,000 because there are a lot of projects, a lot of things. This software is used. This software is being used everywhere, in every field, like in mining, in CRP, city and regional planning. This software is also being used there. Okay, this was my last step. I hope you will understand everything, each and everything. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and do share and like with your friends. Thanks a lot.